Welcome to the Weekly Iron. I'm your host, Miles Cooksey. The construction equipment industry put its full momentum on full display at Conexpo ConEg in 2026 in Las Vegas, where more than 140,000 professionals from 128 countries gathered across 3 million square feet of exhibits to see the latest in heavy equipment innovation. The event highlighted just how significant the equipment sector has become to the U.S. economy. Manufacturers now contribute over $415 billion to U.S. GDP, while a surge in infrastructure projects and data center construction continues driving demand for advanced machines across the industry. And the equipment on display reflected that momentum. One of the most talked about machines on the floor came from Prinoth, which unveiled its new Panther T23R rotating crawler carrier. Built for extreme terrain, the machine boasts a 22.6 ton payload, making it the largest in its class. What sets it apart is its PowerForce undercarriage, a new design that reduces track blend points by half and increases efficiency by roughly 200%. Combined with independent suspension and a fully rotating upper structure, the T23R allows operators to place material precisely without repositioning the machine, a major advantage for jobs like pipeline work, forestry, and remote construction sites. Manufacturers across the show emphasize the same theme: more power, smarter technology, and greater operator efficiency. Kubota, for example, introduced the SVL 110-3 compact track loader, its most powerful CTL yet. The machine delivers 112 horsepower and 45 gallons per minute of auxiliary hydraulic flow, designed to run high-demand attachments like brush cutters and cold planers. A new auxiliary performance system dynamically balances hydraulic power between travel and attachments, helping prevent stalls while maintaining productivity, a response to contractor feedback that traditional anti-stall systems slow down work. Caterpillar also expanded its excavator lineup with the new 319 compact radius excavator, designed to fill the gap between the 15-ton and the 25-ton models. The machine delivers more lifting power in a smaller footprint while integrating advanced technology like grade assist, payload monitoring, and 360-degree visibility systems. Meanwhile, John Deere took a different approach to engaging contractors, launching the Building America Excavator contest. The nationwide competition invites operators to submit videos showing how their work helps build communities, with the winner receiving a brand new Deere mid-size excavator. The contest also highlights Deere's latest equipment platform and its new extended reality training system aimed at helping fleets train operators faster. Taken all together, the announcements at ConExpo paint a clear picture of where the industry is heading. Machines are becoming more powerful, yet more compact, integrating advanced automation and digital systems, and focusing heavily on operator comfort, safety, and productivity. And with global construction demand continuing to rise from infrastructure to energy projects and data centers, the innovations unveiled at Las Vegas suggest the next few years could be a defining period for the equipment manufacturing sector. That does it for this week's Weekly Iron, and we'll catch you next week.